Question number 3, y equals mx plus c strategy. It's about two different rhombuses inside a square of side length 6. And they want the difference between the shaded areas. And I'm recommending that you imagine this was on a grid system. So how do I work out the area of this? Well, do equations of lines. That's y equals 2x, that one there. That's got a y-intercept of 6, so that's y equals negative 2x plus 6. That's was 6 comma 0, so that's y minus 0 equals negative 2x minus 6. That's y minus 0 equals 2x minus 3. So I'm now going to solve them simultaneously to find out how high those points are. So that's got an x coordinate of 1.5 there. So this area here is half base times height, so that's 9 square meters, or 9 square units. So therefore is that. So this shaded area is 36 minus that triangle, minus, which is 9, minus that, which is the same by symmetry. And now I need 2 of those. How wide is that triangle? 3. How high is it? 1.5. Half base times height is therefore 1.5 times 1.5. But there's 2 of them. So therefore it's 36 minus 9 minus 9 minus 7.5, which is 18 minus 7.5, which is 11.5. So that's that area there is 11.5. Now what about the other one? The other one is this. Again, put it on a grid system. So again we go up to 3 there, and up to 3 there. So that's 6 comma 3. Sorry, that's 3 comma 6. And that's 6 comma 3. And now you also go from there to there, and there from there to there. And so that's 3 comma 0, and that's 0 comma 3. What are the equations of these lines? That's y equals 2x. That's y equals half x. That's y equals half x plus 3. And that's y minus 0 equals 2x minus 3. So I want this one here. So total area is 36. This one is half base times height, so that's 9. Take away another one of those by symmetry. And now I need to know how high this is. Well, that's what simultaneous equations are for. Y equals half x. Y equals 2x minus 3. So half x equals 2x minus 6, so 6 equals 1.5 x, 6 equals 3 over 2x, double both sides, divide both sides by 3, so x equals 4, so that's a 4 there. So what's the area of this little guy? it's half base, so 1.5 times the height, so 1.5 times 4 is 6. There's 2 of them, so that's 12. There's a 6 there and also a 6 there. So it's 36, which is the 6 by 6. Take away that 9, that 6, and that 6. And you get 6. And so the difference in areas, 11.5 and 6, so the difference is 5.5. I hope and pray that's correct. No, it's not correct, it's supposed to be 3. So, yeah, I must have made a mistake there somewhere. But anyway, that's question 3, the general strategy. You can have a scour through and find my mistake.